Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today, we're talking about how to find a power of attorney record. This can be a confusing task because, unlike many other official papers, there isn't one single place to look. A power of attorney, often called a POA, is a legal document where one person, the principal, gives another person, the agent or attorney-in-fact, the authority to act on their behalf in financial or medical matters. The first and most important thing you need to understand is that there is no central government registry or national database for these documents. In most cases, a power of attorney is a completely private document kept by the principal, the agent, and maybe their lawyer. It only becomes public in very specific situations. So, where should you begin your search? Your first step should always be to check with the people directly involved. Ask the principal, the person who created the POA, if they have a copy or know where it is. If they can't help, your next call should be to the person named as the agent, as they must have a copy to use it. If you can't reach them, the next logical place is to look through the principal's personal files, a home safe, or a safe deposit box at their bank. Many people keep their most important documents, including a POA, with their will and other estate planning papers. Also, be sure to contact the principal's attorney. If a lawyer helped draft the document, their office will almost certainly have a copy on file. Now, if those private searches don't work, there is one primary way a POA becomes a public record, and that involves real estate. If an agent uses a power of attorney to buy, sell, mortgage, or transfer property, the POA document usually must be recorded with the county government to prove the agent has the legal authority to sign the deed. To find this, you need to contact the county recorder's office, which might also be called the Register of Deeds or county clerk, in the county where the property is located. You can search their land records, often by the principal's name, to see if a POA was ever filed. This is the most common and reliable method for finding a POA in public records. In much rarer cases, a POA might be filed in court records, for instance, as part of a guardianship or conservatorship case. To check this, you would need to search the records at the local courthouse. Finally, while banks and financial institutions will have a copy of a POA if it was used there, they will not give you a copy due to privacy laws unless you are the principal or the named agent. I hope this guide helps clear up the process for finding a power of attorney record. It's all about knowing where to look, starting with private files and then moving to public county records if a real estate transaction was involved. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more simple guides on important legal topics. We'll see you next time.